Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope doing all good. I'm Mrs. Niazi, your English class teacher. So we'll start our first lesson of English. Take out your readers. The first lesson is healthy living. Okay? Chapter 1 is of our healthy living. So what do you understand by this word healthy living? Healthy living is the way we live, by eating healthy food, by living in a healthy environment. That is all come under healthy living. Fine. So take out your page numbers at 7. Okay. Healthy living. So here is a conversation between a father and son. यहाँ एक conversation दिया गया है हमें, एक father and son, हमारे father and हमारे बीच का जो conversation रहता है, जो बातचीत रहती है, that is called as a conversation. So here is a conversation between a father and son. So the son name is Aman. He is having a conversation with his daddy. अपने daddy से बात कर रहे हैं regarding healthy living. Okay. Aman. Daddy, a shopkeeper sells lovely sweets outside our school. May I have those sweets today? So here the boy Aman, he is saying, "Hey, Daddy, near our school there is a man who sells lovely sweets every day. I want to eat those sweets. मेरे school के यहाँ बहुत सारे lovely sweets मिलते हैं daily. So I want to eat. मुझे वो खाना है. Daddy, let me know whether shopkeeper sells those sweets in an open tray." So the father is asking, his father is asking के, but before that let me know, मुझे बताओ के, are those sweets are being sold in an open tray? वो sweets क्या open tray में sold होते हैं? So Aman says, yes daddy, he always keep his sweets in an open tray. So Aman says, yes daddy, उसके पास जो tray रहती है वो बिल्कुल open tray रहती है, sweets पूरे वैसे ही रहते हैं. Daddy, then you should not have those sweets. So daddy is saying ke, if the sweets are in open tray, you must not eat those sweets. Aman, but why daddy? Because the flies and other insects sit on the open seeds. So Aman is saying ke, why daddy? Why should I not eat those sweets? So daddy replies ke, because flies and other insects sits on the open seeds. Here we are having a picture of this. Flies are sitting openly. Aman, so what will happen if flies and insects sits on the food? जब खुले हुए खाने पे flies insects बैठते हैं तो what will happen? So daddy says कि flies and insects first sit on the dirty garbage, they pick up harmful germs from there, then they sit on the open sweets or the open food. They pass on those harmful germs to sweets and food. When people eat such sweets or food, the germs enter their bodies. They may cause many diseases. So I'll advise you not to eat such sweets. Okay. So the father here is saying ke, flies and insects, what they do, they sit on the dirty garbage. So what is garbage? So what is garbage? Garbage is all the dirty things. We put it at one place. जो हमारे घर में कचरा कूड़ा रहता है, that all things are called as garbage. Okay. So the father is saying that those flies, those insects sit on the dirty garbage and this come and they sit upon the open sweets or on the open food. They pass on those harmful germs to sweets. What they do? These flies and insects, they sit on the open garbage. जो garbage रहता है, जो कुछ कचरा रहता है, they sit on that garbage. Again they carry the germs through their feet. वो लोग क्या करते हैं जब कचरे पे बैठते हैं तो उनके पैर पे सब क्या होता है? They attract the germs. उनके पैर पे सारे germs लग जाते हैं. So those germs are being again carried to the food. When they come back and sit on the open food, those germs are left over on the food. वो germs क्या होते हैं? वो खाने के ऊपर stick हो जाते हैं. Then what will happen? हम क्या करते हैं? वही जो open food रहता है वो लेके we consume it. We eat that food. So what will happen after we eat that food? Obviously we'll fall ill, isn't it? Right now, जब हम open food खाते हैं तो we'll get ill. So what's the open food mostly? What do we like to eat? Our favorite thing is Pani Puri, right? Yeah. Now turn your page. Aman is saying here कि but daddy many children eat those foods sweets every day. So Aman is insisting, Aman बहुत ज़्यादा जिद कर रहे हैं कि daddy many children are eating those sweets every day. So daddy says, my son, they are likely to suffer from diseases. You should not eat or drink open things. I do not want to risk your health. So the father is saying कि my son, they are likely to suffer from diseases. जो लोग खाते हैं बाहर का open food, they will fall ill, they will get sick. They are likely to suffer with disease. उन्हें सब बीमारियाँ आते हैं. But I don't want you to get ill. I don't want you to suffer. मैंने चाहता हूँ कि आपकी तबीयत भी खराब हो जाए. Aman, it means flies and harmful insects must go. So daddy says, yes my son, they must go. So Aman is saying कि flies and insects को we should send them away. The father says yes. So Aman says, how can we control flies and insects? So this is a good question asked by Aman. Aman क्या पूछ रहा है कि how can we control flies and insects? उन लोग को कैसा हम लोग flies and insects control करें? So daddy says कि we must keep our houses neat and clean. We must keep our surroundings clean. We should not follow dirty water to collect around our surroundings. Flies and insects breed in a stagnant water. However, we cannot kill all flies and insects. It is therefore better not to eat uncovered or open things. So here father is saying to Aman के we must keep our houses neat and clean. हमें क्या करना है? हमारे घर को बहुत neat and clean रखना है. We must keep our surroundings clean. We must also keep our surroundings clean. So what are our surroundings? जो हमारे घर के boundaries रहते हैं, those are called as surroundings. We should not allow dirty water to collect around our surroundings. Mostly in rainy seasons क्या होता है? हमारे घर के पास, हमारे roads पे what it happens? Potholes हो जाते हैं. Potholes are road पे जो holes हो जाते हैं जिसमें पानी सेव हो जाता है, जिसमें पानी ठहर जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज potholes. सो वी शुड नॉट अलाउ डर्टी वाटर टू कलेक्ट. इसमें जो रोड पे जो पानी उसमें सेव हो जाता है उसके अंदर क्या होता है? मॉस्किटोज ब्रीड होते हैं, इंसेक्ट्स ब्रीड होते हैं. However, we cannot kill all flies and insects. It is better not to eat uncovered or open things. So the father is saying कि however, it is not possible to kill all the flies and insects. Yes, children, is it possible to kill all the flies and insects? क्या हम सारे इंसेक्ट फ्लाइज को मार सकते हैं? Can we kill them? No. So it is good that we must avoid eating uncovered food, isn't it? There is a healthy saying going, precaution is better than cure. Have you heard this? Precaution is better than cure. Precaution is better than cure. हमारे पेरेंट्स मोस्टली बोलते हैं बदपरहेजी से एहतियात बेहतर है. सो दिस इज द सेइंग इन सेम सेइंग इन इंग्लिश इज precaution is better than cure. So Aman is saying thank you daddy, I promise that I'll never eat uncovered things in future. So here at the end of the lesson Aman is promising that father, I will not eat, I promise I will not eat any uncovered fruit from now onwards. So daddy says, that's like my good son, you are my good son. Okay children? So with this we finish our lesson. Fine. In the next class we will do the objective part, the meanings and the question answers.